I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 5, that is arithmetic progression. So starting with the second exercise, that is 5.2, our first question says filling the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN is the term of arithmetic progression. So this is the given, we have to fill in the blanks. So first part says here A is given, that is 7, D is given, that is 3 and N is given, that is 8. So now we have to put the value of AN is equals to A plus N minus 1. Further moving, AN is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3, which will give you 28. Second part says A is given, that is minus 18. We have to find D. N is given, that is 10 and AN is given 0. Again we have to put the value in AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So it will give you D as 2. Third part says A is not given to us. D is given, that is minus 3 and N is given, that is 18. AN is given, that is minus 5. Again we have to put the value in AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. It will give you A as 46. Fourth part says A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5 and N is not given to us. AN is equal to 3.6. Now we have to put the values in AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into 2.5, which will give you N as 10. Fifth part says A is given, that is 3.5, D is given, that is 0, N is given 105 and AN we have to find. So again we have to put the value in equation, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, which will give you AN as 3.5. Moving to our question number 2, which says choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First part says 30th term of the AP, that is arithmetic progression. So 10, 7, 4 and so on is 97 or 77 or minus 77 or minus 87. So the answer is here A is given, that is 10, D is given, that is 7 minus 10, which is equals to minus 3 and N is given, that is 30. So again we have to put the values in AN is equal to A plus N minus 1. It will give you A30 as minus 77. So option C is correct. Moving to our second part, which says 11th term of arithmetic progression, that is 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on is either 28 or 22 or minus 38 or minus 48 1 by 2. So here again A is given, that is minus 3, D is given, that is 5 by 2 and N is given, that is 11. Now we have to put the value in AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, which will give you A11 as 22. So option B is correct. Moving to our question number 3, which says in the following arithmetic progressions, find the missing terms in the box. First part says 2 dash 26. So here A is given, that is 2 and A3 is given, that is 26. So we have to find A2. So A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is equals to 26. So D will be 12. Therefore A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that will give you 14. Second part says dash 13 dash 3. So here A2 is given, that is 13 and A4 is given, that is 3. So A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is equals to 13. So A is equal to 13 minus D will be our first term. So A4 that is given, that is 3. So now A plus 3D is equal to 3. Now we have to put the value of A in equation 1. That is 13 minus D plus 3D is equal to 3. So D will be minus 5. So now we have to put the value of D in equation 1. So A is equal to 13 minus into minus 5, which is equals to 18. So here A1 is 18. A3 is A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that will give you 8. Third part says 5 dash dash 9 into 1 by 2. So here A is given, that is 5, A4 is given, that is 9 is to 1 by 2. So A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, that will give you 9 upon 1 by 2. So 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 upon 2. 3D is equal to 9 upon 2 and D will be 3 by 2. Therefore A2 will be A plus D, that is 5 plus 3 by 2, which will give you 6 1 by 2 and A3 will be A plus 2D, that is 8. Fourth part says minus 4 dash 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 and dash 6. So here a is given, that is minus 1, and a6 is given, that is 6. So a6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into d, that is equals to 6. Therefore d value will be 2. So a2 we can find, that is a plus d, which is minus 2. And a3 we can find a plus 2d, that is 0. a4 we can find a plus 3d, that is 2. a5 we can find a plus 4d, that is 4. Moving to our fifth part, which says dash 38 dash 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 minus 22. So here a2 is given, that is 38, and a6 is given, that is minus 26. So a2 is equals to a plus 2 minus 1 into d, that is 38. A equation will be 38 minus d, that will be our first equation. So a6 is equal to minus 22, which is already given to us. So from this we can find a plus 5d, that is equals to minus 22. Now putting the value of a from equation 1, we will get 38 minus d plus 5d is equal to minus 22. So here d value will be minus 15. Now we have to put the value of d from equation 1, we will get a is equal to 38 minus into minus 15, that is equals to 53. So a1, that is 53. So a3 we can find a plus 2d, that is 53 plus 2 into minus 15 will give you 23. Further, a4, that is a plus 3d, which is equals to 8, and a5, that is a plus 4d, which will give you minus 7. Question number 4 says, which term of arithmetic progression, that is 3, 8, 13, 18 dash 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 is 38. So here a is given, that is 3, d is given, that is 8 minus 3, which is 5. So nth term of the arithmetic progression is 38. So an is equal to 38, and a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equals to 78. So n will be 16. So 16th term of the arithmetic progression, that is 3, 8, 13, 18 dash 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 is 78. Moving to our fifth question, which says find the number of terms in each of the following arithmetic progressions. So here 7, 13, 19 dash 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 205. So here a is given, that is 7, and d is given, that is 13 minus 7, that is 6. So total number of term in arithmetic progression is an, that is 205. So a plus n minus 1 into d, that will give you 205. And 7 plus n minus 1 into 6, that is the value of d, is equals to 205. So here n will come as 34. So there are total 34 terms in the given arithmetic progression. Moving to a second part of this question, which says 18, 15 upon 1 by 2, 13 dash 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 minus 47. So here a is given, that is 18, and d we can find it as minus 5.2. So total number of terms in arithmetic progression is n, that is an is equal to minus 47. So a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equals to minus 47. Solving it, we will get n as 27. So there are 27 terms in the given arithmetic progression. So guys, we will continue the rest of the question in another video. I hope you like this video. And if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.